Take a deep breath in and release. Let your shoulders drop. You are safe. You are strong. You are beginning a new chapter. Let these words be your medicine. Repeat them in your mind or out loud. Let them sink into your soul. I release what no longer serves me. I let go of the past with grace. I forgive myself and others, even if they don't ask for it. I cut the energetic cord with love and peace. The relationship may be over, but I am not broken. I am whole on my own. This ending is my new beginning. I no longer carry what is not mine to hold. I surrender control and I trust the unfolding. I let go so I can grow. My heart is healing with every breath I take. I am allowed to grieve. And I am allowed to feel joy. It's okay to cry. It's okay to smile. Emotions come and go. I stay grounded in my truth. I honor what I had and I honor what I am becoming. I welcome peace into my nervous system. I am safe to love again in time. I choose softness without losing my strength. My soul is healing. My light is returning. I am not defined by my past. Every challenge is sculpting the strongest version of me. I rise from the ashes wiser, braver, more alive. I trust myself to rebuild. I am capable. I am resilient. I am powerful. Every day I'm becoming more of who I truly am. I do not need permission to thrive. I walk forward with courage and grace. I own my story. I own my strength. I am open to receiving abundance in every form. Money flows to me with ease. I I am financially independent. I am secure. I am free. I deserve wealth that aligns with my values. I trust myself to make wise decisions. I attract opportunities that expand my prosperity. I release scarcity and invite overflow. I claim a future that is abundant and mine. I choose foods, habits, and thoughts that nourish me. My body is healing. My mind is calming. My spirit is shining. Each cell in my body vibrates with vitality. I honor my rest and my movement. I listen to what my body needs. I am not at war with myself. I am home in myself. Health is my birthright, and I claim it now. I am remembering who I truly am. I am not just someone's partner. I am a universe of potential. I am becoming more me every day. I am learning to love myself again. I follow what lights me up. I am not too much. I am not too little. I am just right. I deserve joy, laughter, beauty, and fun. I take up space. I express myself fully. I am a powerful creator of my own life. I bless my past. I bless my future. I bless myself. Everything I need is already inside me. I am walking toward a life that feels good in my soul. I am proud of how far I've come. I trust the timing of my life. I am becoming. I am blooming. I am free. I am becoming. I am blooming. I am free. You are loved. You are strong. And your next chapter starts right now.